If you're a developer or just someone dabbling in code, you've probably heard of Tabnine. But the question is this AI coding assistant really worth your time and money? Let's dive into what it offers and see if it lives up to the hype. Tabnine is an AI-powered code completion tool designed to help developers write code faster and more efficiently. At its core, it uses machine learning to predict and suggest code snippets based on what you're currently working on. It integrates with popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ, and more, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The user experience feels quite seamless, especially if you're familiar with code editors. As you type, Tabnine analyzes your code and offers real-time suggestions, which can really speed up the coding process. It's particularly beneficial for repetitive tasks or when you're unsure of the syntax. However, while the concept is solid, some users might find the suggestions occasionally off-target or not as contextually relevant as they like. There's also a bit of a learning curve in figuring out how to get the most out of its features, which might deter some beginners. Now, let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the plus side, Tabnine can significantly boost productivity, especially for seasoned developers who can leverage its AI suggestions effectively. The integration with various IDEs is a big plus, making it easy to incorporate into existing workflows. On the flip side, some users have reported that the suggestions can be hit or miss, especially for complex coding tasks. There's also the concern about privacy, as the tool requires access to your codebase to function effectively. For those working on sensitive projects, this might raise a red flag. Additionally, while it does have a free tier, the more advanced features are locked behind a subscription, which might not suit everyone's budget. In conclusion, Tabnine is a valuable tool for developers looking to enhance their coding efficiency, but it may not be for everyone. If you're a beginner, you might want to explore other options first. However, if you're experienced and looking for ways to save time, it's definitely worth giving Tabnine a shot. Just keep an eye on those privacy concerns.